everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today's video is going to be super chill and casual. I'm going to be doing the this or that challenge. Something really quick. You can get to know me a little bit better, and I just thought it would be fun to do this challenge video. It is going to be beauty related, so fashion, hair, and random. I got these challenge questions from Nikki Tutorials online. So if you want to get to know me a little bit better, what I like and what I don't like, keep watching. Okay, to start, we're going to be doing the fashion portion of the this or that challenge, and we're going to start with jeans or sweatpants. It depends. So it doesn't depend. I like sweatpants. I would rather throw on some sweatpants. I throw on sweatpants going everywhere unless I'm going out and I have to actually put on clothes. If I'm in the house or if I'm going to the grocery store, I'm usually looking like a bum. I'm usually with a hat. My hair is a mess. I don't have any makeup on. So if you ever see me out in public and I don't look like what I look like right now, just know it's because I'm living my best life in sweatpants. Long sleeve or short sleeve? This question is like, I would rather wear what's comfortable for me in the season. So I get cold fast. So in the fall and the winter, even though I do like to layer on, I still get cold fast. So I would do long sleeve and still put on a sweatshirt or a jacket, and of course in the summertime short sleeve. So I don't really have a preference on long sleeve or short sleeve. Dresses or skirts? I would definitely say dresses. I do like skirts. I have a couple of them, but I would rather throw on a dress, and it's just a complete ensemble. I don't have to worry about trying to find a shirt with my skirt. I would rather wear dresses. Stripes or plaid? Stripes are the way to go. I have recently learned that I do like stripes. When I was younger, in my early 20s, I did do a lot of flannels, plaid shirts, and I think I just grew up a little bit and I like stripes. Flip-flops or sandals? Now I will pick both for this question because flip-flops I can just throw on. Like I said, it's super easy to do this. Sandals if I have to actually put on clothes and look cute. Scarves or hats? I would do a scarf before I would do a hat because usually, like I said, I get cold quicker, especially in the fall time. And I think scarves just like, it enhances your outfit, and majority of the time if I am wearing a scarf, that means I'm going somewhere. I'm actually going out, and that means my hair looks a little decent. I'm not gonna say it looks actually like super decent, but it's gonna look a little decent, so I would rather put on a scarf. Studs or dangly earrings? The bigger the hoop, the bigger the hoe. No, I'm joking. I do studs majority of the time, but I will wear hoops. So I don't really like costume dangly earrings. So for this question, I would choose studs, but I do like my hoops. My hoops is cute. I like my hoops. Necklaces or bracelets? I prefer bracelets. It's something, as long as it's like a dainty, just like a small necklace, I don't mind it, or a couple of small necklaces, I don't mind it. I don't like anything heavy on my chest. It feels weird to me, and I want to take it off like throughout the night. But I can do bracelets. I can stack my bracelets. Heels or flats? Definitely heels. I am a heel girl. I love me a good thigh-high boot with a nice thick heel on it. I won't lie, I do like it. Cowboy boots or riding boots? Somebody in the comment let me know what the difference between cowboy boots and riding boots are. I mean, I kind of know the difference, but like, what is a riding boot? I'm going to choose riding boot because I don't see myself in cowboy boots. I'm not in Texas, and I'm not a cowgirl, and I'm not going to be riding horses anytime soon. So riding boots. Jacket or hoodie? Both. I would rather wear a hoodie and a jacket at the same time. I like layering, so that's super easy. I would choose both of them. Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe. Forever 21 for clothes, Charlotte Russe for boots and shoes. I do go there seasonally and get my boots because they have sales and I'm on a budget. So Charlotte Russe has really cute boots. I would go there and get my boots. Perfume or body splash? Body splash doesn't last on me at all. I don't think it lasts on anybody, and I'm a little too old to be wearing Bath and Body Works body splash out in public. I'm going to say perfume. I love me a good sexy smelling perfume. Lotion or body butter? I would choose body butter. If I had to choose one, I would choose body butter because it's thicker than lotion. I feel like if I use lotion, I'm going to have to use something else with the lotion, like a baby oil or body oil or something else. Body wash or soap? I like body wash. I rarely, if ever, use bar soap. I just feel like that's nasty, in my opinion. It's not sanitary in my head, so I would definitely use body wash. Curly or straight hair? I like my natural curls. My hair is curly. I'm just trying to get it to grow, so I'm not trying to manipulate it and wear it out, especially because it is cold. I do like a good pin curl, but I also have been liking my straight wigs, so I'm gonna say both. It just depends on my mood. Bun or ponytail? Definitely a bun. I can get my hair in like two really cute Minnie Mouse buns. I look 12 when I wear them, but I don't really care. And yeah. Bobby pins or butterfly clips? Bobby pins? I'm just gonna say bobby pins because I don't know. Hairspray or gel? I don't use hairspray on my hair. I don't have that type of hair that I need hairspray. I have that type of hair that I need some gel to slick down some edges. So I'm going to say gel. Long or short? I like long weave. My hair is short, so I do like my natural hair. But if I'm going to experiment or throw on a wig or whatever, I do tend to go with the longer hair. Light or dark? I used to have light or dark. I like dark hair. However, I have noticed that I'm getting out of my comfort zone and I am experimenting. So this colored hair right now, I am in love with. It wouldn't be something that I would usually choose, but I absolutely love this wig and the color of it. Side sweep bangs or full bangs? I'm going to do a side sweep because it looks better on me. Trust me, okay? Y'all just trust me that it looks better. Rain or shine? Well, okay. This is the random category. We're almost done with this. And it's about 5 questions left. And this is the random category. So, rain or shine? I like sunshine because one is sunshine. Like, who doesn't like sunshine? And it's just a mood brightener. Like, it just makes me feel so much better. Like, it's gloomy right now and I feel like my mood is gloomy because it's gloomy outside. Like, I feel like if it was sunny, I would be so much perkier and upbeat. Summer or winter? I am a summer baby. I love the warmth. I don't like hot, like hot heat, but I do like the summer. You can do a lot more in the summer. You can be out, and winter it's just entirely too cold. Like, it's troublesome. I am in Maryland, and our winters do get a little, it's not like a Detroit or New York winter, but it's cold. It's freezing up here during the winter time. Fall or spring. I like the fall better than the spring. I do like the weather changing, and I mean the season changing, and the leaves changing, and the weather isn't as bad. So I do like the fall. And I like the fall because the holidays are coming up. When the fall hits, you know, you have my baby's birthday is a national holiday now, and you have Thanksgiving and Christmas, and I do enjoy the holidays. So I'm gonna go now. My camera, my SD card keeps filling up really quickly, so I have to make this outro really fast. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate all this love and support. If you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more uploads, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!